Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we are going to talk all about related subtraction equations. Take a look at the domino here. You can see the parts of the domino. That's right. The domino's parts are 5 and 3. The total number of dots on this domino are 8. That's right. And we just made a number tree using those parts and the total. Now, we're going to write a subtraction equation using the total and the parts. When we write subtraction equations, we have to start with the total or the biggest number, because as you remember, we're taking away. So to make our subtraction equation, we start with 8. So our first subtraction equation says 8 take away 5 equals 3. Now let's make the related subtraction equation for this domino. Let's go ahead and turn it around. Do. Now our parts have switched. They're on different sides. So we can write our subtraction equation as 8 take away 3 equals 5. Remember, we always start with the total or the biggest number when we write our subtraction equations. Let's do this again. Now I have another domino. This domino's parts are, you got it, 2 and 4. And the total of the dots on this domino are 6. That's right. So when I write my subtraction equations, I always start with, yes, you got it, the biggest number or the total. So for this domino, the total is 6. So I can write my first subtraction equation as 6 minus 2 equals 4. Now, let's write the second subtraction equation. I'm going to go ahead and switch the domino's parts around. And remember, when I write the subtraction equation, I always start with the total. That's it. So now I can write 6 minus 4 equals 2. Great job. Let's take a look at one more domino. Here I have a new domino. What are the parts? That's right. The parts are 1 and 6. And what's the total? The total is 7. So what's the most important thing I need to do when I write a subtraction equation for my domino? Oh, that is so good. I have to start with the total or the biggest number, and that number is 7. So we can go ahead and say 7 take away 1 equals 6. When we write the second subtraction equation, we just switch the parts and we can write 7 take away 6 equals 1. That's awfully cool, isn't it? So always remember, when you're writing subtraction equations, you always want to start with the biggest number. That way you can make sure you're able to take away. That was a lot of fun. Thanks for practicing subtraction equations with me, and I hope to see you again very soon.